Hello, this is Greg Jordan from the Next Level Local Business. Welcome to the next video in our series for building your online reputation. And today's topic is 5 tips for improving your online reputation, even if you don't have the time. So what we've covered so far in this series is, number 1, why Google reviews are so important to your business. Number 2, we've covered 3 strategies for building a successful online reputation that any business can do. And number 3, we've talked about how to improve your Google star rating even with negative reviews. And today is all about time. Today is about being efficient with our process. We all have time constraints on what we do each and every day. If you're anything like me, there's not enough hours in the day to get what you want done. So these 5 tips are specifically aimed at doing things that can help your online reputation and at the same time make you as efficient as possible so that you're spending less time and effort doing it. So, number 1 tip, put in place a review system that automates some of the tasks. The email request tasks, the tracking, the monitoring, and posting, all those tasks can be automated. And companies that have systems in place that do this, it maximizes their online reputation results, and just as importantly, it cuts down on the time they need to do it. We've been using a system for a number of years that have taken our clients from just a handful of reviews to, in some cases, hundreds of reviews. And so this is the number 1 recommendation. Look for a system that automates some of these tasks. What you'll find is you'll be able to make better progress faster with less effort. Number 2, use a connect conversation to engage customers and patients in generating reviews. So what that means, a connect conversation, I like to call it that. If you're in a position to talk with them directly face-to-face or over the phone, and particularly after they've interacted with your business or experienced products and services, ask them if they would be willing to leave a review. And if they agree, then send an email review request with a link to the review page. There's a very subtle psychology here is when someone says to you directly, yes, I will leave a review. There's sort of this commitment that they've now created that helps them to live up to it. And the connect conversation always improves the response rates. So if you're in a position to have a conversation with people, particularly your happy customers, make sure you ask them about being able to leave a review on Google. Number 3, announce to all your customers that your business is creating a review campaign to get feedback and share good news online. So what you want to be able to do is to just make it broadly known to your customers and your clients, your patients, that really what you want to do is to be able to get the word out to other people about how good your services and products are. And you communicate that through email lists that you have. Just email people, let them know that that's going on. If they want to participate, then here's a link that they can leave their review. Through social media, posting on social media, physical materials, flyers, business cards, or table tent cards, something that indicates to people, hey, we're really interested in your opinion and your review. Number 4, acknowledge and reward employees for getting reviews. This is big. I mean, actually taking the reviews that you do get and sit down with employees and say, hey, here's what we found. Here's what some of our customers said, and this is really good. And boy, what you can talk about is, things that you need to improve or whatever. But when you engage your entire team, then what you'll find is that it multiplies results, because those same employees, once they know it's important and they know they're getting rewarded for it, they will go out and they'll do a better job, a more complete job in asking for reviews with all of their customers and people that they interface with. And last, don't be shy about asking everyone that uses or is familiar with your products and services to give a review. So you don't have to have people that necessarily use your products and services, although that's the bulk of where you get good reviews from. But people like the UPS person that stops by and delivers packages, if they have an interaction with you, they know your operation, they see the friendly people, whatever. Professional associates that know and are familiar with your your business. They also are a legitimate source of reviews. So just think outside of the box, but ask everyone that uses or is familiar with your products, and especially your happy customers. Make sure that when you've got a happy customer, that you always ask them for reviews. You'll find that people not only are used to these requests, they expect them. And if they're happy with your products and services, you'll find that they're really, really happy to help you out by leaving a review. So those are 5 tips that if you follow consistently, your online reputation and your brand strength will significantly improve with less time and effort involved. So that's all for this video. And as usual, leave your comments below the video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and the notification for when we record new videos, you'll get notified and you'll be able to access those immediately and directly. I hope this helps. We'll see you in the next video.